Let's meet. Hello, and this is Maria from Romania. So, how long you been here in Switzerland so far?
I'm here since 2021.
So, okay, would like to know what is the reason why you come over Switzerland, for what purpose?
So I came at the end of 2021 for my master,
Mm-hmm.
but now I ended up having a job in Zug, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm really happy with my life.
So, how do you find Switzerland? How can you describe Switzerland?
Switzerland, it's the ideal country. I really like it because it's very clean. People are very punctual and serious,
Mm-hmm.
and I can learn every time new things here.
You like the food, the environment. So, what is your favorite food here in Switzerland?
The favorite food, I don't know, fondue. It would be
Yeah,
too much
fondue.
to shake.
Yeah,
Cheese.
cheese.
The
You
food
li-
is nice here.
really? So, how about the culture here? You like the people, the yeah. How do you define people here?
So people here are very different from my country.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of other. Sorry, come on, Chris. Why you disturb us? So the
Sige.
people here are very nice, and there are a lot of cultures, and
Yeah.
the people are very international. You can have new friends, become new friends for life. It's
Yeah.
very very nice.
So, do you think it's easy for you to adjust here?
So and so.
Your parents are here
No, my whole family is in Romania.
in
I'm the only
Romania.
one here. Yeah.
Yeah, so you are here for studies, and luckily you found a job.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so what's your job here?
I'm an intern in the treasury department.
Mm-hmm. Which canton?
Zug.
Oh, Zug here.
Yeah, but I'm living in Basel.
It's far, like 2 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So here in Zug, okay, you were able to go around here
Yeah, a little bit.
a little bit.
I
So,
haven't experienced it
aray ko.
100%.
Yeah, yeah. So here, this is a like. Can you describe this village for our viewers?
It is in central Switzerland,
Mm-hmm.
and it's nice. You can see the mountains that are in Lucerne as well. You have lakes where you can swim during
Have you tried going swimming here?
No, not in Zug, but in Basel, in the Rhine.
In the Rhine, it's a more wide and long river in here.
Yeah, exactly. And also in Aare and in Zürichsee.
In Bern as well, Are River in Bern.
This is what I tried this summer.
So far, where in Switzerland you'd been?
I have been to quite, I don't know, lots or
Lucerne, not yet in Lucerne.
in Lucerne.
Yeah,
In Lucerne, I have been to Lucerne, right?
yeah, guys, Zurich as well.
And in Zurich as well.
Okay.
And Bern, yeah.
Okay, so that's nice. So are you going to invite people from your country to stay here in Switzerland?
Yeah, why not? I didn't thought about this, but yeah, I will recommend them for sure.
So what do you think the challenge is here?
The challenge is to adapt because the Swiss people are not the friendliest.
Yeah.
But once you get a Swiss friend, you will get this friend for your whole life. And also this country is very expensive, but it's worth it because everything is very organized.
Yeah, organized people. Yeah. So that's how about the other than food, the culture, the good things here, other good things that you experience here.
Yes, for sure there are good things. Like I'm very young, and I really think that I have experienced and learned a lot of new things in 1 year and 10 months since I'm here in Switzerland.
But after your studies, I don't know, you are now working. So is this a contract? Like certain
Yeah.
year, then you have to go back.
I didn't finish my studies, but I'm looking forward to finish them in the future in a couple of years. I don't know exactly yet.
So what field are you studying?
Sorry?
What field? What is your?
So master in finance.
Oh, okay. See, master in finance. Okay. So you're only 20.
I am
20
23.
23.
I will turn 24.
So a lot of opportunities and good things will happen you here in Switzerland.
Yeah.
So, like to greet your friends in Romania.
Bună ziua, România! Bun venit în Elveția!
All right, thank you.
Thank
Bye.